Hello everyone, welcome to the episode 8 in the series of JavaScript code snippets for everyday use case. So today what we are going to look at is how we can validate if a JSON is a valid or not. Well, this is very simple. So let's say here we have a JSON, but we can see that this is a valid JSON because every key and every string is quoted. Hence, it will give us true. But on the other hand, if we look at this JSON, this is not valid. Why? Because here the key is not quoted, you see. So this is not a valid JSON, right? So how do we actually verify if a given string is a valid JSON or not? This is actually pretty simple. So first of all, let's have a function named isValidJSON which takes a string as an argument. And after that, we'll use the try and catch block. In the try block, we will be parsing the given string. And if the parsing is successful, we'll return true. But let's say if the parsing is not successful, which will be in this case, if that happens, then our catch block will catch the error and hence we will return false from here. So we can clearly see that this first string gives us true, but the second one gives false. You see how straightforward this was. Just using try and catch block, we can solve it. And if we want, we can also console like what went wrong with this console error, and then I'll just also give the error. So now we can see that error, syntax error, unexpected token n in JSON at position 1. So unexpected token, which means it was not expecting this age to be like this. It was expecting it to be in a quotes. So that's how you verify if a given string is a valid JSON or not. Thank you.